Hi, Ma'am. I'm Felina Domingo, 30 years old. I was born on August 3, 1984. I'm single, high school graduate. I was work in Lebanon since year 2006 and until 2014 in only one employer and finished contract. I was taking care of 2 children, one newborn baby boy and one 5 years old boy. When I wake up in the morning, first I do make milk and sandwich for the 5 years old kid. After that, I wake him up to drink his milk, and his sandwich I will put in his bag to take with him at the school to eat there. After he drink his milk, I will take him to the bathroom to brush his teeth, make him shower, and then put his clothes to go to school. After that, I will take him to the parking area for waiting his bus school. When he's gone, I will go back home to prepare sandwich and Arabic coffee for my employer before they going to their works. When they gone, I will make vacuum. I will arrange their beds, clean the glass windows, mop the floors, remove the dust, and clean the toilets. After cleaning, I will go to the kitchen to cook Arabic foods like bazella, nukiye, beef steak, and fresh vegetables salad. If they call it tabbouleh. After cleaning and cooking, I'm ironing. After ironing, I will taking care of newborn baby. First, I give him milk and vitamins. And then, I will take him to the bathroom to make him bath. And then, I will take him to his bed to put his diaper and clothes. Sometimes, my madam at home, I will drop water the stairs and parking area. Ma'am, if you choose me, I will do my best to do my duties. I'm so glad and very thankful. Thank you.